I'm saying, I had to make another video real quick. My bitch currently down right now. She's on a fucking front tire. Front tire shit in. Right there. But motherfucker come on first kick. Usually most motherfuckers bikes don't come on first kick. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers don't even have gold pipes like I do. You know what I'm saying? There's some shit y'all niggas motherfuckers don't know. Then you can't even steal my shit cause the shit take a key. You know what I'm saying? Stock grips, brand fucking new. Clutch. Full fucking tank of gas. You know I stay with money, so you know my shit gotta stay filled the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, y'all motherfuckers, man. Woo. What's up?
Yo, when did you go back from like your break?
January 5th.
The 5th?
Like I said, y'all see us in your hood, don't be surprised, guys. We coming. And when we come, we fucking anybody up. On bikes or not. And yeah, I'm talking shit, cause that's what I do. If y'all got problems, say something about it.